The IKEA effect is a cognitive bias in which consumers place a disproportionately high value on products they partially created. The name derives from the name of Swedish manufacturer and furniture retailer IKEA, which sells many furniture products that require assembly. The IKEA effect has been described as follows: the price is low for IKEA products, largely because they take labor out of the equation. With a Phillips screwdriver, an Allen wrench and rubber mallet, IKEA customers can very literally build an entire home's worth of furniture on a very tight budget. But what happens when they do? They fall in love with their IKEA creations. Even when there are parts missing and the items are incorrectly built, customers in the IKEA study still love the fruits of their labors. The IKEA effect was identified and named by Michael I. Norton of Harvard Business School, Daniel Machen of Yale, and Dan O'Reilly of Duke, who published the results of 3 studies in 2011. They described the IKEA effect as labor alone can be sufficient to induce greater liking for the fruits of one's labor. Even constructing a standardized bureau, an arduous, solitary task, can lead people to overvalue their creations. Norton, Machen, and O'Reilly cited other researchers' previous work on effort justification, which had demonstrated that the more effort someone put into something, the more someone will value it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.